Welcome to my Thrift Flippin' Frenzy video. I got this box from Amanda. She sent me these really cool things that I'm going to unearth here in a second. So she sent me these really cool furniture feet. That one's pretty cool. And then she also packed me a red sleigh, which is perfect for the holidays. Here's another furniture foot, or leg, I guess. It's a little taller. And then here's this hanging box. I'm going to have to do another video with this flip because I ran out of time. And then some ice skates, you'll see later. Very cool. And then lastly, that wooden box in the shape of a book. I'm really excited about all of these treasures. So let's get flippin'. So my first project, I'm going to make some ribbon trees. So I got that foam at the Dollar Tree, and then I've got this silver ribbon at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm using Fusion Paint in the color Ash, and I'm just going to paint the bottom portion of this tree. Here I'm finishing it up. So I folded every single one of the ribbon pieces, they're about 4 inches long, in like a loop, and then pinned them onto the foam cone. And I'm just working my way up. And then for the very top, I used some pink ribbon that I also got at the Dollar Tree. And I'm using that trick with the scissors to curl the edges. For this next tree, I'm using a smaller cone and putting it on top of a longer furniture foot, and I'm using DIY's Decrepit, dark and Decrepit, and I'm painting the bottom with that. I love this dark and Decrepit. It's actually a patina, and so it kind of works like a wood stain. So I got this ribbon at the Dollar Tree as well. And here you can see I'm crimping it to make it kind of fit around that circle at the bottom of the cone. And what I'm going to do here is glue it all the way around. And then I'm going to keep on circling it all the way around to make the tree. Now I'm getting to the very top there, and I'm going to use the ribbon and make kind of a ribbon flower, a rose, for the very top. So here I'm kind of rolling it up in my around my finger, and I'm going to twist the ribbon as I go around to make that flower look like a real flower. And then once I have it all twisted and looking like a rose or a flower, I'm going to glue it on the very top. For my second project, I'm going to go and take that book that I got in the box, and I am using an IOD transfer from Santa's Hallow. I just thought it was perfect for this book. It was a great size, and I really liked the decor on it. I thought it would stand out. But I noticed that it needed to have white on the inside of the transfer, so then the words would show up. So what I did is I marked out a rectangle and I painted it white using Victorian Lace from Fusion for the middle. And then after that I used DIY skeleton key, which I also thought would match the colors in the transfer quite nicely. So we're going to paint the outside with DIY skeleton key. Okay, so now the paint has dried, and I also put a coat of Big Top on all of the paint, and I am starting to apply transfer. This transfer is not for the faint of heart. It took me, I think, 11 minutes. I timed it to get this transfer on here because all of the little dots and the words were kind of tricky. So it is a beautiful transfer, and it's well worth the time, but it takes a long time, and I had to be pretty careful with the lettering. So for project 3, I have 2 sleighs and 2 skates that I'm going to decorate and flip. So this red one, I thought it just had the perfect color, so I didn't paint it at all, but I did add some transfers. I added IOD's Yuletide transfer, and an ornament that I found at the Dollar Tree with some additional holly. So I think that really kind of spiced up this already beautifully painted sleigh. And here I'm just kind of getting that extra transfer off of the sides there. I don't want it to go and roll over the sides. Sometimes I do that, but this time I wanted it to be pretty crisp. And I'm going to use some hot glue to attach the holly and the little ornament that says snow. How cute. So here is the other sleigh. I had thrifted this a while back, and now I've painted it with DIY's Aviary paint, and then added some leftover transfers that I had from the IOD Kitschy Christmas, which was last year's Christmas IOD release. And then I'm going to add a skate to this sleigh. So you'll see that in a little bit, but I've added some transfers as well from the Kitschy Christmas to the skate. Since I have the transfer on, I use that transfer paper to burnish it and get all of those little parts that kind of are sticky off of there and get it really into the paint. to put some transfers on the side of the sleigh as well. Just thought it would add a little something something to the sides. Now here is a frame that I thrifted a while back as well. I'm using, again, the ash from Fusion and painting that on the frame. I think I'm going to add some gold highlights. Now, after looking at the finished project, I think that some gold highlights would work really well. Now you're seeing me put some gold IOD transfers from the Gilded Tinsel onto the skate. And I'm really excited because this is going to be like a gold theme skate and frame. These gold transfers work a little differently than the other transfers. They come off pretty easy, so you can see they're just kind of like barely even pushing down on the gold, and it's coming up pretty fast. But it's really easy to miss part of the gold, so I'm checking as I'm going along to make sure that I didn't miss anything. And here's the finished products. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, please follow and subscribe.